The Fatcat greets you. What is the Fatcat? The Fatcat is a virtual finance and game telemetry system that supports Monopoly. Fatcat implements virtual money and property management. Fatcat permits local and remote games with a live streaming game board and live * game stats. Let's have a look at the player interface in Fatcat. So you'll see that on your screen, and you'll see that each player has a column, and each column consists of metrics. So cash is the most important, then you've got property, assets, liabilities, and then your net worth, which is your assets minus your liabilities. You've got that for 4 players. Okay. What else can you see? That's for a given player. You can see different metrics that you can plot over time there. You can see the transactions that affect that player and the property portfolio with a card that's popped up that shows you the different stats about the property. Okay, now obviously you need a banker. So the banker has its own interface that runs on an iPad. I won't go into too much detail here, but it just basically, this is how you sort of process bank transactions. We capture all financial transactions. Okay, turn and number transactions will come later. Okay, right. So why did we do this? Why? Because it's fun. Also because I have to do it for work to learn how the software works with its newest update. So that's been quite interesting as well and useful. But it's got other benefits. You can simulate real-world scenarios, so it's possible to do things like, have a property crash, or have bailouts from the magic money tree, which is an entity in the game, in the bank, that is basically there to plug holes. You can implement different winning methods, so you can time box a Monopoly game, or you can simply, look at the person who's got the highest net worth. You could do cooperative game between players to try and put the bank out of business, because that's possible as well. So there's all sorts of different ways. You can also go overdrawn or borrow irresponsibly, and the bank can also be completely careless in lending players who have no assets vast sums, which the bank might not get back, but you never know. It's all about risks and understanding, where the risk falls and everything. So it's actually quite interesting. So this leads me to the educational angle, because it's not just fun to do this. It's, I've been able to do this because I have knowledge of the following. So I know the Monopoly game inside out, and the family plays it assiduously. I've got some knowledge of finance, and then I certainly know things about IT, so databases, business intelligence systems, machine learning, which I want to put on at some point, and video streaming. So my premise is that by playing Monopoly with this system, players will learn skills and strategies that can be used in the real world. So, an understanding of finance, an understanding of risk and how to assess it, definite knowledge of IT, so all the bits that make up the solution that we're using there, the video technology, and the thing is, you can have fun doing it. So if anybody's curious as to how this works and wants to learn how to do it, then ask me. Okay, that's me. See you soon. Bye-bye. This is a test of the setup with the Yeti. At the moment, in that window there, you can see the Zoom conference taking place with a pinned view of the Monopoly board. Okay, so if I can click on this, if anything magic happens. So there you go. I can see my glorious self. And I'm just testing to see if I'm going to be able to record that with Phil Moore, actually. So there you go. Yeah, I'll try and show you how the board looks and everything. But basically, if I put my hand there, look, you see, there's my hand. So the board is live. Okay, and the idea is that we're going to play using that. Oh. So yeah, I'm not too sure people are seeing this. Okay, let's just see what happens if I do this. There you go. Oh, I've got hyperintelligence, look. View property register. Right, okay. I think that will do.